Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a scenario in Make in 2026. If you want to automate tasks between your favorite apps, this guide will walk you through creating your first automation scenario step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create a new scenario to start building your automation. Next, click the plus icon in the center of the canvas to add your first module. Search for the app you want to use, such as Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, or another supported service, and select it. Now choose the trigger event that will start your automation. For example, you can trigger the scenario when a new email arrives, a new spreadsheet row is added, or a form submission is received. Next, connect your app account by signing in and granting the required permissions. After the connection is complete, configure the trigger settings and test them to make sure Make receives the correct data. Now click the plus icon again to add another module. Select the action you want Make to perform, map the data from the previous module, and configure any additional settings. Once everything is set up, click Run once to test your scenario. If the automation works correctly, click Save and turn the scenario on so it runs automatically. Finally, monitor your scenario from the dashboard and review the execution history to make sure everything continues working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a scenario and Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.